Let's play with them again. As you can see, I've had a bit of a shift around, moved the garage around a bit, got much more space. So I can move that out and we can see if it starts. Let's give it a go. First thing to do is get it out of the corner. That ain't easy. Oh, look how dirty she is. Hello. Right, for those of you who didn't watch the first episode, we've got this. I don't know what this does. Well, I know what it does, but I don't know where it goes. So I'm hoping that the exhaust down the back somewhere isn't hanging off. Otherwise, this is going to be quite loud. Then again, so's the Flexus. Who cares? Am I right? Battery's disconnected, so that's probably going to be dead. I would be utterly amazed if that brings it back to life. It's been about 2 years. I bought a new oil gauge. Let's go and get it. Brake calipers, spoiler alert. There it is. So, oil pressure gauge. I need to plug this in somewhere down there and then start it. This is gonna be fun. When buying cheap tat, always remember to have a quick read of the instructions. Specifically look for really important information like this. Choose a suitable connection point for the oil pressure gauge, because some engines has a blanking plug on the main engine oil gallery. Helpful. There's the oil pressure switch. Now I just need to find the right adapter. That one probably. Looks about right. Fits. Let's get this one in. That's plugged in down there. And we've got an oil gauge. And even though it's on minimum, there is some oil in there. There it is. So it'll do to start it up, because I don't have any spare here. I'm gonna unplug the coil. He says, unplug the coil. And turn it over for the first time in God knows how long. The journey to the dark side. Oh. Nice. Oh, Fausty. It's so cozy in here. Fun fact about this car, it doesn't have a key. And I can't remember how to start it. Oh, let's put the battery back in. Yonk. Let's see, does it have power? Holy moly. We have life. We have life. Light! Something I can hardly believe. Although I've just had a thought. I've taken the wideband out to give back to my mate. I don't know whether it's going to be mapped correctly or not to run. Well, damn it. So this is how you hotwire them again. You plug a load of cables into the plug that isn't plugged in properly. You give it a live feed. You make sure the ECU switches on. And you can hear the fuel pump. So I've done that a couple of times. Oops. So that's the ECU switching on. And this red one should make the starter motor turn over. Oh no, I think the battery's a bit too flat. I can hear stuff happening up front, but doesn't look like it's got enough juice to keep going. Oh dear, oh dear. Well, that helps. Cheap garbage. However, we have life. Even the radio's decided to join us. Oh, how do I unhook this? Yeah, got some feedback through the radio. Oh, there it is. Spooky. Probably those massive amps. Full of water, no doubt. Ew. Anyway, give you an idea how much of a minter this car is. Only 65,000 miles. That's not a lot. It even comes with like 3/4 of a tank of fuel. Let's check the battery. Not too bad. That battery's done quite well considering. I do wonder, I've got this random cable hanging out of the car, and it's mighty close to the starter motor. I wonder if I was using this to start it. Shall we try? Nothing. Whoa. Please go away. What we can do, take one of these, plug it on there like that, and hope no, I think this is ghost. Absolutely nothing from the starter motor. Focus! No, this is the Megane. Dead as a duck. Oh wow, this cable gets really hot really quick. Don't buy cheap crap, guys. Oh, what's he doing? What's he doing? Oh, focus! No, Megane. Not very happy about it. I wonder. Click that back in. The smell. Focus! Oh, I really need to find a better tool to do this with. Oh my god, it started. And we've got an oil leak. That is so typical of this car. This thing fell off. How useful. Well, that thing was a total fail. That's what happens when you buy cheap. However, the good news is we've learned how to start them again. It's fairly easy. You just take a pair of pliers and squeeze the terminals together. That's that. I'm utterly amazed. Totally amazed. We've got oil pressure because the oil light hasn't come on, so that's a good thing. Unbelievable! I can't believe it. Shut her off. Oh, they got hot. Pull them all off. Absolute garbage. Well, I guess that's a little progress. I am genuinely astounded that that thing started bang like that after 2 years. I didn't even think the map was good enough to be able to do that. It's just, it's something that we've just janked on there. Obviously there's a hole in the exhaust, that's why it's making such a racket. And this thing is absolute garbage. But all in all, not a total failure. Just have to get a different oil pressure tester, unless I'm doing something wrong. I really don't know what I'm doing wrong, but you know, I are engineer and all that. But once we've measured the oil pressure, then we'll start stripping it down and changing the head. I'm amazed, utterly amazed. Anyway, if you found this channel by searching for Renault Megane or something along those lines, go and look at the other project I'm doing. It's a Ford Focus with a twin turbo V8 and rear wheel drive. It's a little bit more in depth than the messing about I'm doing on this shed. Oh, I'm a bit harsh. I called it a shed. It just started straight away. Anyway, go and look at the other videos I've got. Give me all that sweet view time and subscribe. I think I'm done for today. I wanted to get more done. I wanted that thing to work. But we all have trouble with our tools sometimes. Next time we check the oil pressure, we pull the cylinder head apart. And then we take the cylinder head off. That engine there, can you see it? And we'll do a little swap, and we'll check the oil pressure from this cylinder head to the oil pressure against that cylinder head, and hopefully it fixes the problem. If it doesn't, then this is going in the bin. Anyway, subscribe, like, do the YouTube things, and come and follow me on Instagram as well, because I might put a picture of this up. That'll really mess up the flow of things on there. Anyway, I'm rambling. See ya.